We all know that the sun has many benefits, but did you know it can also harm your pool filter housing? Your pool filter is made from fiberglass, and when left unprotected, it will deteriorate in UV light from the sun. It will begin to discolor after only 3 months, and after 6 months, fiber bloom will occur as the fiberglass deteriorates, potentially causing cracks and compromising the filter housing. It can cause bodily injuries such as fiberglass rash and liability concerns. It can also cause serious damage to your pool equipment. Your pool filter is pressurized, and if your filter were to crack and goes unnoticed, it can drain your pool and cause it to pop out of the ground. It can also flood your motor, causing it to burn out, not to mention flood your property, all this resulting in significant repair expenses. The only way to prevent further deterioration is to cover it. Introducing FilterFit. By protecting your filter, it will remain looking and operating like new for many seasons to come. Are you ready to protect your investment? Click it, ship it, FilterFit it.
Click now to order your FilterFit and protect your pool filter housing today.